Hello children, good morning. Welcome to the class of English. Children, today we'll talk about articles. What are articles? Articles are words that are used to clarify whether a noun is specific or not specific. Okay, what do you mean by specific? When we are talking about a specific picture or a specific object or a specific person, animal or thing. In short, when we are talking about a noun, then whether we are specifically talking about it or not, that describes a noun. So, in order to clarify whether a noun is specific or not, certain words are used. Those are termed as articles. Now, what are the examples of articles? We use a, an and the for articles. Okay, let's move further. Okay, you can see the picture of an unicorn. An unicorn? Is it an unicorn or a unicorn? I am confused. Are you? Okay, we'll talk about it later on whether it is a unicorn or an unicorn. Dog. Is it a dog or the dog or an dog? Let's talk about it further. There are three words a, an and the. These are called articles and they are divided into two groups, definite and indefinite. So, articles that are definite or those which clarify the specific noun are termed as definite articles, and the other which clarifies that a noun is not specific are indefinite articles. Okay, let's take an example. Today we'll talk about the definite article the. We'll talk about the indefinite articles a and n in the next video. Now, when we talk about the article the, we put the before the words which mean the inhabitants of a country. Now, what do we mean by inhabitants? Inhabitants means the people who live in the country. For example, when we talk about the country England, so here we say the English live in England. That means the people who live in England are known as the English people. So the English live in England and the Indians in India. So where do the Indians live? The Indians live in India. So here we have used the article the. Okay, but there is a limitation that we should not put the before the names of the language. We just talked about the name of the country, but when we talk about languages, so before languages we do not use the. English is spoken in England and Hindi in India. So here English and Hindi are languages, but we do not use the before the languages. Now there is one exception. Plural nouns of a country's inhabitants do not take the if they are thought of individually. Now what does this mean? Let's take an example. Indians are generally vegetarians. Here we have not used the in front of Indians. So we don't say the Indians are generally vegetarians or the Russians drink milk. Here we are talking about individual country or individual people and individual inhabitants. So here we do not use the. So Indians are generally vegetarians. Russians drink coffee. So here we have not used the. Okay. Now the second rule for the article the. Put the before the names of mountain ranges. For example, the Alps, the Himalayas. Now here these are ranges of mountains, and so they are in plural form, and so we use the. But do not put the before the names of single mountains or hills. If it is a single mountain or hill, say for example Everest or Mount Blanc, then we don't say the Everest or the Mont Blanc. We say Everest and Mont Blanc. So here you can see the example of the Himalayas and Alps. Okay, now the third rule for the article the. Use the before the names of rivers, canals, seas, oceans, valleys, deserts and forests. So these are the things in front of which we put the article the. Lucknow is on the Gomti, not on Gomti. Similarly, we say the North Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Ganges, the Sahara. You can see the picture of the Ganges or Gangas and the Sahara. Okay, here you can see the picture of a train, a car. Here you can see a ship, but this is a specific ship and it is known as the Titanic. So here you might have listened that I use the word a train, a car, the Titanic. Even if we talk about the specific car given on the right side, then we say that it is the BMW. So if we are talking about a specific car, then we term it as or we start it with the article the. Okay, so use the before the names of ships and trains if it is a specific train. For example, the Rajdhani Express runs fast. So here we are talking about a specific train. The Titanic was a very big ship. But remember, do not use the before the vehicles when they indicate a means of transport. For example, if I go to Delhi by bus or train, then I do not say I'll go to Delhi by train. Sorry, I'll not use the sentence as I'll go to Delhi by the train. I'll say I'll go to Delhi by train or by bus. We are going to Mumbai by train. It is not we are going to Mumbai by the train. Okay, now when do we omit any definite article or when we term it as a zero article? What is the meaning of zero article? Zero article means when we do not use the in certain sentences. For example, we do not use the before the names of substances if they are used in a general sense. Now, what do we mean by general sense? For example, if we are telling about metals, then we talk about gold, we talk about silver, lead, and there are many other metals. So when we use it in the form of a sentence, We do not say the gold is a precious metal. We say gold is a precious metal. Bread is made from flour. We don't say the bread is made from the flour. Lead is a very heavy metal. So we do not use it as the lead is very heavy. But the must be used if the reference is to a particular kind or type. For example, if we are talking about the specific gold that was stolen from somewhere, or the bread which we are talking about, or which we are going to eat, or which we have bought from the market, and if we are talking about it, then let us go through the sentences. The thieves stole the gold from that ship. So here we are talking about that gold which was stolen from the ship. So here we have used the. So don't get confused and don't just mug up that whenever it is the vowel sound a e i o u, then we write we write n, and when there is a consonant we use a, and whenever there is a specific name we use the. It's not always like that. You have to think before you write, and you have to follow the rules. So these are the rules that follow while we use articles. Okay, let's see the next example. The bread in this hotel is of poor quality. Now we are talking about a specific bread that is available at a particular hotel. So we say it as the bread. Okay. Do not put the before the names of meals if they refer to the meals generally. अगर हम कोई दिन की मील की बात कर रहे हैं, से फॉर एग्जाम्पल ब्रेकफास्ट, lunch, snacks or dinner, if it is in general, then we do not use the. When do we have dinner, or when do you have dinner? We do not say when do you have the dinner. Have you had breakfast? Lunch is at 2 p.m. So here you can see that we have not used the word the, but we use the when the meal is a particular one. अगर किसी खास मील की बात कर रहे हैं तो हम द यूज़ करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द डिनर विल बी टेकन एट अशोका. तो कोई स्पेसिफिक डिनर की बात कर रहे हैं जो किसी दिन निर्धारित किया गया है, तो एट दैट टाइम वी यूज़ द. वी एंजॉयड द लंच. सो हियर the lunch, because we are talking about a specific meal that we had taken on a particular day, which was given by the school. Okay, so this is about the use of the article the. The next rule: do not use the before plural nouns when they are used in a general sense. आगे हमने बात की थी कि प्लूरल नाउन्स जब आते हैं तो तब हम द यूज़ करते हैं, बट इफ़ इट इज़ यूज्ड इन अ जनरल सेंस वी डू नॉट यूज़ द. सो डोंट गेट कन्फ्यूज्ड. See here, books are necessary for students. So here the noun books is given. It is in the plural form, but we are talking in a general sense. We are talking about all books. So we do not say the books are necessary for students. We say books are necessary for students. Apples grow in Simla. So here we are talking about all apples that grow in Simla. And so we say apples grow in Shimla. Cars can run fast. So we are talking about all cars. So cars can run fast. So here we will not use the article the. Do not use the before the names of games. कोई भी गेम्स के आगे गेम्स के नेम के आगे कभी द यूज़ नहीं करना है. सानिया मिर्ज़ा प्लेस टेनिस. सानिया मिर्ज़ा प्लेस द टेनिस नहीं आएगा. वी यूज़ सानिया मिर्ज़ा प्लेस टेनिस. Chess is a game which requires skill. So here also the name chess is given and we do not use the. Do not put the before the names of countries unless the name denotes that it is made of parts. अगर हम कोई इंडिविजुअल कंट्री की बात कर रहे हैं, से फॉर एग्जाम्पल इंडिया, इटली, फ्रांस, चाइना, then they are all republics, they are all individuals. So we do not say the India, the Italy, the China. But please don't forget that United States, when we talk about United States, it is divided into many princely countries. And when we talk about the USSR, it is also broken into smaller units. And so it is all in one. And so we use the United States and the USSR. Now, when we talk about name of the officers or name of great personalities, then we do not use the in the front of their name. For example, Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi or President Mr. Kovind. So, we do not use the in front of their names. But if the names are not mentioned, then the must be used. For example, the Prime Minister of India, the President of India. So there we must use the. Okay. Now I hope you have understood where to use the article the and where not to use the. Okay, you might have understood the articles use in this video, but we have talked about the. We'll be talking about A and N in the next video. Thank you.